Today, I'm going to review and show you how the AMZCHEF 5.3-inch automatic cold press juicer machine works. If at any point during this video you'd like to check out this juicer for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. We're diving into a must-have kitchen gadget that I believe is an absolute game changer, especially if you're someone who's never used a cold press juicer before. We're talking about the AMZCHEF 5.3-inch automatic juicer machine, a powerhouse when it comes to juicing, with features that make it perfect for beginners and juice enthusiasts alike. So, why should you consider this cold press juicer if you've never used one before? Let me tell you, the AMZCHEF Juicer is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Imagine waking up in the morning and quickly whipping up a glass of fresh, nutrient-packed juice. No hassle, no mess, and best of all, it's super quiet, so you won't disturb anyone's morning routine. Whether you're into apples, carrots, celery, or even leafy greens, this juicer will handle it all with ease. One of the standout features of this juicer is its 130 millimeters, 5.3-inch large caliber. This means you can toss in whole fruits and veggies without the need to chop them up into tiny pieces. It's a real time saver, especially on busy mornings. Plus, the automatic discharging function takes care of the pulp for you, so you can keep juicing without having to stop and clean out the machine. This feature alone makes the juicing process smooth, quick, and easy. Now, let's talk about how this juicer can benefit your life. We all know that fresh juice is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, but what sets the AMZCHEF juicer apart is its cold press technology. Unlike traditional juicers that generate heat and can destroy some of the nutrients in your juice, this masticating juicer operates at a low speed with a powerful 250-watt motor, ensuring that all the goodness in your fruits and vegetables is retained. This means more nutrients in your glass and more health benefits for you and your family. Another great benefit is the juicer's high juice yield. Thanks to its unprecedented triple filter system, this machine squeezes out every last drop of juice, leaving you with minimal waste and maximum flavor. It's also a great way to save money. Since you're getting more juice from the same amount of produce, you'll need to buy less over time. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete juicing process using the AMZCHEF Juicer, from unboxing to preparing your favorite fruits and vegetables, and finally enjoying that first sip of fresh juice. You'll see just how easy it is to get started, even if you've never used a juicer before. Now, as much as I love this juicer, there's one con you should consider. The AMZCHEF Juicer is a bit more time-consuming to clean compared to some other models on the market. While it does have easy-to-clean components, the triple filter system can take a little extra effort to clean thoroughly. But trust me, the results are well worth the small extra effort, especially when you taste the difference in juice quality. So, if you're looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle, or if you just love the idea of having fresh juice on demand, the AMZCHEF 5.3-inch automatic juicer machine is an investment worth making. It's user-friendly, efficient, and most importantly, it delivers high-quality juice that's packed with nutrients. If you'd like to get this cold press juicer for yourself at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.